Hi, and welcome to another in the educational series of Broken. This is What Does Legacy Media Systems Do? So, after starting Algo, when I was going back and forth with a bunch of sales guys and trying to figure out how they responded to RFPs and interpreted data and requests from agencies and clients and local clients, etc., I realized that they really don't have any tools available for them either. So I started Legacy Media Systems with trying to help people in the out-of-home industry, as well as print and radio, because everything that I've built is capable to handle any of the legacy quote-unquote media in the world. So that would be print, radio, and out-of-home. Also, I know a lot of people have legacy systems that they've built themselves to handle some process that they were manually doing, and to update that stuff and keep it up to date with what's going on and you know where everything is, and inventory and charting and RFP response and putting things on hold, etc. So I spent some time building some other tools for the sales side, and it basically is a CRM plus inventory management plus RFP response, because one of the big things that I realized is that when an agency is sending out their grid to the salespeople, that doesn't match their output. So I built a way for them to respond and propose their units based on available inventory, and it will also kick out into any media specialist RFP grid. So you won't have to worry about filling out their grid. You just pull out what available inventory you have, and then it will pre-populate that for you. So it'll kind of take away a lot of the time that's spent on doing proposals. So hopefully you'll get more proposals, and it will help facilitate the movement on your side and let you guys get back to selling. And that's what I was trying to do. So that's one aspect of legacy. That's called my promo product. So it's print, radio, and out of home for media owners. I also have another product called ProAM, which is print, radio, and out of home for agency management. So it's the same basic tools that I'm using within the Algo platform, but it's for everything other than planning. So I don't want to step on anybody's toes. People do media. People have their own ways of doing things. They have their own setups. Everybody's coming out with a new system every day internally. So that's great. But what really happens in out of home, at least from my point of view, is that planning is not really the problem. It's the buying and the following up and all of the nonsense that goes into an out of home buy. The contracting, the authorizations, the invoicing, the payments, back and forth. So what ProAM is everything to run an agency. You just give me the details of the buy, and I'll handle everything else. So I'll handle everything from authorizations to contracting to invoicing to POP to overrides, attribution. I can run new star reports for any of your locations or any of your campaigns or buys. So that is the other aspect of legacy. So I have the ProAM for agency management, and I have the promo for media operator side. So I would love to talk to anybody and show you all of these tools that I've built. They're all built from the ground up, specifically for out of home. So I know what we do and how we do it, and I know that there's no out of the box solution to solve that. So that's what's been my goal for the last year, is to really build this and get it working, not just working on paper, but working for how we work. So I don't want to change anybody's process. I want to speed up the way that we do things. I think there are some processes that need to be changed that are archaic and old school, but I don't want to mess with your day-to-day. I want to handle your day-to-day for you so you can go out and sell, whether that be an agency and selling to the client and selling through how great out of home is, or selling to a local client, a locksmith who needs a board, and you just want to know what inventory you have available. I can help with any of that. So that's legacy in a nutshell. I would love to chew anybody's ear off and show demos and anything anybody wants if you have some interest. So reach out to me on any of my, I have websites and emails attached to everything. So reach out to me and let's chat. I'd love to help. Thanks.